So life sciences is going through some pretty big changes. It's moving from a lot of pill-based manufacturing to biologics manufacturing. This is your cancer drugs, your diabetes drugs, and the COVID vaccine. And is now moving towards personalized medicine, where there's a specific batch of drugs made for me and a specific batch of drugs made for you with our DNA. But what's really quite remarkable is that a lot of this growth has happened in the last 18 months because this industry has been so critical to help support and fight this pandemic. And as a result, Apprentice has grown as well to really help modernize life sciences and bring it into the future so that we can not only deliver and get us out of this pandemic, but really hopefully help the next wave of therapies get to market to help cancer patients and many others hopefully have a much better life going forward.
At RealWear, we want to use technology to make the world a better place. We want industry to have processes that are faster and more productive, and the frontline work safer, all the while reducing travel and cutting back on carbon emissions. We care about the planet and its people. That's why we're so excited about our partnership with Apprentice. They're using technology to fast-track manufacturing of life-saving medicines, and that fits in perfectly with RealWear's culture.
So we offer the Tempo Manufacturing Cloud, which is one platform to turn molecules into medicine for our customers. And we really help our pharma manufacturer customers get medicine to patients faster by supporting all stages of the production lifecycle across their teams and sites. With our software, they're able to better plan their production by understanding where their equipment, materials, and facilities are as an input for that production process. They're able to have lower deviations and higher quality every time they execute a batch.
The shift from coming out of the pandemic, it's no longer about these very complex, disparate systems. We've simplified a lot of that to really help our customers accelerate their journey. Because if the software that's supporting them as they are bringing these drugs to market can be easier, simpler, faster, and all in one place, to us, that's how we're going to help enable these new drugs that they come to market for the patients that need them.